Hi students, MCQ number 30. A Carnot engine has the same efficiency between 800k to 500k and xk to 600k. The value of x has to be determined. A similar problem we have already solved. Such questions are repeatedly asked in the competitive exams, and it is very easy and interesting numerical. Now first case 1, okay, case 1 I will take T1 is equal to 800k and T2 is equal to 500k. Therefore eta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. So this is equal to 1 minus 500 divided by 800. So this is equal to 1 minus 5 by 8. So this is the first equation. Now case 2. In case 2, what is the T1 is equal to? So in case 2, T1 is equal to x Kelvin and T2 is equal to 600 Kelvin. Therefore, efficiency eta is equal to 1 minus, or I will take the symbol T1 dash and T2 dash. So 1 minus T2 dash by T1 dash. This is equal to 1 minus 600 divided by x. Therefore, eta is equal to 1 minus 600 by x. So eta is the same efficiency. Therefore, equation 1 and 2 can be equated. So 1 minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 minus 600 divided by x. So 5 by 8 must be equal to what? 600 divided by x. Therefore, what is x must be equal to? X must be equal to 600 into 8 divided by 5. Okay. So 8 6 are 48. 4800 divided by 5. So you divide by 5. So 9 5s are 45. Remaining 3 and 0 makes 30. So 6 5s are 30 and remainder is 60. Therefore x is equal to 960 Kelvin. Now all these steps I have done just for the learners. If you are already very much well versed in doing such problems, means all these steps you are not going to do. Directly you can take the ratio 500 by 800. 500 by 800 is equal to 600 by x. Only 2 steps are sufficient. This is for the beginners we have explained, that's all. Okay. So x is equal to 960 Kelvin. So which is the option? D is the right answer. Okay. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Okay. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.